A Kamala Harris for President campaign bus arrived in Flagstaff, Arizona, the latest stop on a tour that has taken staffers to 15 states so far. They hand out donuts and coffee and engage voters, focusing on the issue of women's reproductive rights.
When it comes down to it, women have the right to body autonomy. That is a basic human right. It's about dignity. It's also about health.
Abortion is a right that women should be able to make their choice on.
I think that this, Arizona having it on our ballot this year so that we can codify it in the state constitution so that we won't have to have a government influence on that decision anymore.
Arizona is one of 10 states with initiatives enshrining a right to abortion in state constitutions on their ballots this year. The Arizona measure, called Proposition 139, is expected to pass by an overwhelming majority. It would make abortion legal up to 24 weeks of pregnancy, as opposed to the current law passed by a Republican-dominated legislature that bans it after 15 weeks. The Harris campaign has been leaning heavily into the issue of abortion restrictions and women's reproductive rights, hoping that it will garner them enough votes to win in places like Arizona. Pollsters say the reproductive rights issue helps Harris all over the country, driving voters to the polls and increasing turnout.
Females under the age of 40 are overwhelmingly supporting Harris. They also tend to be in the overlap when it comes to those who are most concerned about the abortion issue. So if the abortion issue is turning out younger female voters, that will help the Harris campaign.
Harris lays the blame for the abortion bans squarely on Donald Trump. He has boasted of placing 3 conservative judges on the Supreme Court who helped overturn decades of federal law that had made abortion a civil right. The problem for Harris, however, is that according to polls, far more Arizona voters support the initiative than support her, meaning some who vote for the measure will also vote for Trump. But in a state where the margins are so close, every single voter and every single issue is important. Rob Reynolds, Al Jazeera, Flagstaff, Arizona.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.